Hello everyone, very good morning to all students. Open your social course book, page number 14. Today we will discuss about heritage. Heritage is anything that has come down to us from the people who lived before us. From the people, उन people से who lived before us, मतलब जो हमसे पहले रहते थे. There are two types of heritage. Two types के heritage हैं, material heritage and non-material heritage. Material and non-material. First, material heritage is something that was physically present in the past and which can now be touched. For example, the buildings, places of worship, forts, craft items, statues, paintings, and books that have been passed down to us from our forefathers are a part of our material heritage. Material heritage के example क्या क्या है? The buildings, the places of worship, forts, craft items, statue, paintings and books that have been passed down to us from our forefathers are a part of our material heritage. Next है आपका non material heritage includes our traditions and culture that are passed on from generation to generation. These traditions and culture can be felt but not touched. ये हमें felt होता है, नहीं touch नहीं होता हमसे. For example, the art of pottery picked up by a potter from his forefather, and crafts like fulkari embroidery and folk songs that women of Preeti's family learned from their elders are a part of our non-material heritage. Different ways of cooking का different ways, style of dressing, oral stories, dance, drama, music, science, and system of medicine that have been passed down to us from our forefathers are some other examples of our non-material heritage. ये सारे क्या हैं? Non-material heritage के example हैं. क्या क्या हैं? Example, style of dressing, एक दूसरे से ही सीखते हैं हम लोग. Oral stories, dance, different ways of cooking का अलग अलग तरीका, स्टाइल ऑफ पहनने का तरीका, ड्रेसिंग का तरीका. ओरल स्टोरीज हम लोग दादी से सुनते हैं, कोई अपनी नानी से सुनता है, फिर हम लोग बड़े होके फिर हम लोग भी किसी को सुनाते हैं. डांस, ड्रामा, म्यूजिक, साइंस एंड सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन. Okay, these are non-material heritage. Example of our non-material heritage. अब आपको let's try 3 डन करना है. इसमें क्या है? Fill in the blanks. The lifestyle of people living in a particular region or society, their customs, benefits, and social manners that have been passed on from generation to generation is known as their culture. क्या है ये? किस तरह इसको known as their culture. इसमें क्या फिल करेंगे? फर्स्ट में हम लोग कल्चर फिल करेंगे. नेक्स्ट है आपका बी में आपको क्या फिल करना है? एनीथिंग दैट हैज कम डाउन टू अस फ्रॉम अवर फोरफादर्स इज कॉल्ड, जो हम लोग के फोरफादर से इज कॉल्ड फ्रॉम come down to us from our forefathers is called our heritage. सेकेंड में हम लोग क्या फिल करेंगे? वी में हेरिटेज. ओके, नेक्स्ट है आपका C. Something that was physically present in the past and which can now be touched is a part of our जो हमसे प्रेजेंट में फिजिकली टच है, पास्ट की कुछ चीज़ें जो हमसे प्रेजेंट में फिजिकली टच हैं वो क्या है? मटेरियल हेरिटेज इज टच इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अवर मटेरियल। सी पॉइंट में हम लोग क्या फिल करेंगे? मटेरियल फिल करेंगे, मटेरियल हेरिटेज। नेक्स्ट डी पॉइंट आपका अवर ट्रेडिशंस एंड कल्चर दैट हैव बीन पास्ड ऑन फ्रॉम जनरेशन टू जनरेशन आर अ पार्ट ऑफ अवर नॉन मटेरियल हेरिटेज। इसका पार्ट ऑफ अवर नॉन मटेरियल हेरिटेज। नेक्स्ट ई द बिल्डिंग ऑफ अर्लियर टाइम्स are example of our heritage, example of our material heritage. Next, and our food habits are example of our non material heritage. Next है आपका within pairs. Let's try for within pairs. Look at the image of the painting made on the walls of the of the caves found in a place known as Bhimbetka in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Figure 3. This painting has been made by humans who lived in forest thousands of years ago. Now discuss the following question. A question है आपका, A question is why do you think were these paintings made in the caves? आप लोग ये क्यों सोचते हैं कि मतलब ये पेंटिंग केव्स में क्यों बनाई गई है? बताइए, ये आपको बताना है। इसका आंसर होगा आई थिंक दैट दीज पेंटिंग्स हैव बीन मेड इन द केव्स बिकॉज द अर्ली ह्यूमंस लिव्ड देयर, क्योंकि अर्ली ह्यूमंस वहाँ पर रहते थे। During those time, humans painted whatever they did or saw. During the day, what does this painting tell you about the work these humans did? Humans did. This painting tells us that the early humans hunted animals. They are carrying weapons in their hand. What do you think these weapons were made up of? I think that these weapons are made of sticks and stones. Next D. Which animal do you think was used by them for riding? Horse. I think horse was used by them for riding. Next E. Does this picture give you any other information about them? If yes, then what is it? उसको आपको पिक्चर को देख के आपको बताना है। लेट्स फाइंड आउट अवर मटेरियल हेरिटेज, हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट एंड बिल्डिंग्स, प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप, स्टेच्यू, gardens, paintings and books which have been built in the past from our material heritage. Past from our material heritage, they'll help us to learn about our past. Monuments such as caves, forts, places, gardens and places of worship, gardens and places of worship from a part of our material heritage. Historians study them to know many things about the past, like the name of the king's person who built them, the time when these were built, the way the kings and common people lived, whether they were rich or poor, their knowledge about different kinds or of material used for making buildings, and the skill and talent of artists who built these monuments. Look at the picture of Vijayavatal temple located in the state of Karnataka. Can you imagine that this temple was built around 600 years ago? ये कब बना था? 600 years ago, when there were no modern machines. How talented the artist must have been to make such beautiful carving of rocks. The huge pillars of the temple produce different musical tunes. Have you seen such a wonderful temple built in the modern times? Can it be made again if we damage it? Definitely not. Definitely not. We must take good care of our monuments, otherwise the coming generation would learn about the past of our country only through pictures. Some of the famous monuments of India: the Ajanta caves carved in the rock walls of Maharashtra, the Mehergarh Fort of Rajasthan, one of the largest fort in India, beautiful Nisad Bagh in Srinagar, the Grand Mysore Palace in Karnataka. ओके, नेक्स्ट आपको इतना ही आपको आज रीड करना है. ओके, और आपको लेट्स ट्राई 3 एंड लेट्स ट्राई 4 कंप्लीट करना है. लेट्स ट्राई 3 एंड लेट्स ट्राई 4. ओके, बाय स्टूडेंट्स.